Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have the Chevrolet Traverse, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. The link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need two solutions in order to prep the lens. Our first solution is our Slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And our second solution is our Tack solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So with your Slip solution, just spray it onto the lens and use your clean microfiber towel to help remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, now flip your microfiber towel around to a clean side, and now just grab your Tack solution and spray it onto the microfiber towel. And same process, just help remove any remaining contaminants. The Tack solution will help remove any oils, grease, or any coating that the lens may have. Okay, so now that we finished prepping the lens, now we can start with the installation. So we're going to start with the top piece first. So apply Slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, align it to this section of the headlight. And once it's aligned, apply Tack solution. That way we help start tacking down the film to this section of the headlight. Grab your squeegee, start tacking it down. Remove all the solution, top to top and the bottom. Make sure it stays secured. And now we're just going to slowly work our way to this end here. If the film is not moving freely, we will apply just Slip solution, that we're able to stretch the film to this edge. So it's only a light stretch, it just needs to reach this edge of the headlight right here. Place your hand here, just do a light stretch. Make sure everything stays aligned. Grab your Tack solution, spray it on this section. Stretch the film, hold it in position for a couple seconds, and while you're holding it, just spray Tack solution on the top section of the film. Make sure you're still holding it, grab your squeegee, and just start securing this entire section. Remove all of the solution underneath the film, make sure not to leave any bubbles, and secure the top as well. You may encounter just small little fingers on this section here. Those fingers we could tack down and remove by applying a little bit of heat. But before we do that, just focus on removing all the solution underneath the film. Now that we remove all the solution, we're going to spray Tack solution where you see the fingers. Grab your heat gun, use the low setting for this part, and apply it where you see the fingers. Make sure you spread the heat evenly, and then tack it down. This will also help seal the top section. That way it's easier to post heat once we're done. Okay, now we move on to this piece. So for this last one, easy process. This one doesn't require any stretching. It's just more of applying Slip solution, aligning each edge of the tint, making sure everything's covered, lifting the film, and applying Tack solution underneath and then on top of the film. So lift, make sure everything's aligned, and that's pretty much it. Hold it in position, and then with the other hand, just start taking it down. Make sure to remove all of the solution. Do not leave any bubbles, and you should be good. And once this one's sealed and tacked down, we move on with the last step, which is post heating. So for the post heating process, all you need to do is just grab your Tack solution and spray it onto the lens. And we're going to need our microfiber towel, and the microfiber towel will help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges as we're applying heat. So use the low setting for this part, apply heat evenly, and as you're applying heat, just grab your microfiber towel to help tack down the film, and also help remove any fingers that may be popping out as you apply heat. Do this process throughout the entire headlight for the top and bottom, and once you're done post heating, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Chevrolet Traverse. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.